It's me, Big Bird. It's the season of lights when people celebrate different holidays like Hanukkah, Kwanzaa, and do you know another holiday celebrated this time of year? Yay, that's right, Christmas. I celebrate Christmas. It's my favorite holiday, and it's almost here. Beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart.
Beginning to look a lot like Christmas wherever the does.
Take a look at the Hoover store. It's glistening there once more. With mistletoe and paper clips across. No cookies.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
Everywhere I count.
And the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart. Do you hear that twinkling sound?
What is it?
Santa already?
Maybe it's one horse open sleigh.
Elmo knows who it is. It's Abby Kadabi. Where am I? Oh, hi everybody.
Hi, Abby.
Ooh. Hey, why all the decorations? Is it somebody's birthday? It's for Christmas.
And it's beginning to look a lot like it.
Oh, what's Christmas? Abby doesn't know what Christmas is? Well, it doesn't ring a bell.
Not even a jingle bell?
Gee, Abby, don't fairies celebrate holidays?
Sure! We have Bursting Bloom Day, where we all jump in piles of petals. Oh, and Fairy Fair, where we dance and sing till we all fall over. But what about Christmas? Never heard of it. Well, have you heard about Christmas carols? Who are they?
Christmas carols aren't people.
They are the many songs we sing at Christmas time. Silver bells, that's one Christmas carol. Jingle bells, that's 2 Christmas carols.
Sing me some. Maybe I'll know them. Yeah! Let's sing Abby some Christmas carols. Oh, you sing along too.
Oh, this me favorite carol. Deck the hall with lots of cookies.
No, that's just Deck the Hall, Cookie. Deck the hall with boughs of holly.
'Tis the season to be jolly.
Lord, we know our day of power.
Oh, the ancient Yuletide carol. See the blazing Yule before us.
Strike the harp and join the chorus.
Did that ring a bell, Abby? Or 2 bells? Or 3?
No.
Then let's try Jingle Bells.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Crashing through the snow.
A cookie that's dashing through the snow.
Yeah, but me prefer crashing. Crashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
For the fields we go.
Laughing all the way.
They're going about their ring.
Making spirits bright.
What fun it is to laugh and sing a swelling song tonight. I get it.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells,
So, Abby, did you know that Christmas song?
No, but it was fun to learn it.
Oh, great. Well, I've got to go help my granny bird make a birdseed Christmas wreath. See you all later.
Merry Christmas!
So, if you don't know about Christmas, Abby,
Then Bobby doesn't know about Christmas trees.
And Christmas cookies.
or stockings!
Or making special things and giving gifts.
Spending time with friends and the people you love.
Oh, didn't he say Christmas cookies?
And Santa Claus. Who's Sandy Claus? Abby doesn't even know Santa Claus?
This is serious! It's okay, everybody. We'll just have to teach her what Christmas is all about. Oh, gee, Abby, there's so much to tell you about the spirit of Christmas. Where do we start?
Oh, how about with that Sandy guy? It's Santa! You know, he wears a red suit, and he lives in the North Pole with his elves.
But the most important thing about Santa is, you better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
He's making a list and checking it twice, gotta find out who's naughty and nice.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake, he knows when you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake.
You better watch out, you better not cry, you better not pout, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town.
We get to 10 coins and you get to 20 travels.
And rope-a-dum-dum.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
With curly hair dogs and chocolate coo.
Elephants, boats, and kitty cars too.
Santa Claus is coming to town.
He sees you when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake,
He does.
he knows when you've been bad or good.
So be good for goodness sake. I will. Hey, Joe.
Goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming. Santa Claus is coming to
That was fun. When exactly is Santa Claus coming to town? He's coming tonight! Christmas Eve! I can't wait!
Reindeer pull his sleigh, and he lands on the roof.
and slide down the chimney.
And his presents under the tree. I write to him and tell him what I want for Christmas.
I already sent my letter to Santa. Oh, what do you want for Christmas this year, Bert? World peace. Oh, and an all-new Ultimate Delight checker set, version 4.5.
Elmo already knows what Elmo wants for Christmas. Snow!
Yes, I love a white Christmas.
Yeah! We can go sledding.
And make snow monsters.
Anybody know if there are any snow clouds coming our way? Let me check my boysenberry. Most people's are black, but I prefer boysen. It gets better reception. It says here that there's not a snow cloud in sight.
Oh, nuts.
Guess we'll just have to dream of a white Christmas this year.
No, we won't. I can make it snow with magic. Really? Right now? Not a problem. I just need some words that rhyme with snow. Do you know any words that rhyme with snow?
Oh, I know. Crow.
No.
Big toe!
Row, row, big toe. Come on, let's see some snow. It's not snowing, Abby. Just give the magic a chance to work.
Any way we can encourage it Hey, Abby, what would you like Santa to bring to you?
Me? I can ask Santa for something too?
Yeah. Everybody can be part of Christmas.
Gee, what do I want? I want to meet Santa Claus.
Oh boy.
You see, we're always asleep when Santa comes.
Yeah, he only comes after everybody's bedtime. Oh, what time is it right now? Maybe it's close to bedtime.
Let me check my boysenberry. Hey, it is almost bedtime. What do you know? Time sure flies on Christmas Eve.
Santa should be here any minute.
Oh boy! We might get to really meet Santa Claus!
Hey, you hear that? It sounds distinctly like jingle bells.
Elmo heard hooves. Did you?
Yeah! And the sleigh!
Santa must have landed on a roof.
Oh, do you see him?
Not yet. Hey, Santa, that you up there?
How about you? Do you see Santa anywhere?
Ho, ho, ho! Down the chimney I go!
Santa was here.
Yeah! He lit up the Christmas tree!
That Santa is one amazing guy. He has to be. Think of all those chimneys he goes down in one night.
You mean we miss Santa? He's gone.
Yeah, it looked that way.
I missed him. I miss Santa. I miss Christmas. Abby thinks she missed Christmas. Santa came and I didn't see him. It was my first Christmas and I missed it.
Oh, wow. Did anybody hear jingle bells? Oh, gee. What's the matter, Abby?
Abby thinks she missed Christmas because she missed Santa Claus.
Oh, don't worry, Abby. You didn't miss Christmas.
But Santa, he's gone.
I've never ever seen Santa Claus, but I've never missed a Christmas.
Santa's just one small part of Christmas, Abby.
Oh, but what about the sleigh? Oh, and the reindeer and the presents.
The real part of Christmas is much bigger than Santa and getting presents.
It is?
Christmas is all about being with your family.
And friends you care about.
And it's the one time of year when even Oscar the Grouch isn't so grumpy.
And everyone wishes each other happy holidays when they pass on the street.
My favorite part is Christmas dinner with all my bats who have come home for the holiday.
And I love when everyone on Sesame Street holds hands and sings Christmas carols.
Like when we sang Christmas carols.
Christmas is all about getting together with the people you love and having fun together.
Yeah, just thinking about it gives Elmo a warm feeling inside.
Yeah, that's the spirit of Christmas, Abby. Oh, and cookies too, of course.
So the Christmas spirit is really about me being here with all of you.
Yeah, and having the Christmas spirit doesn't have to be on just this one day. It can be every day. Keep Christmas with you all through the year. When Christmas is over, you can keep it near.
Think of this Christmas day when Christmas is far away.
Keep Christmas with you all through the year.
When Christmas is over, save some Christmas cheer.
These precious moments, hold them very dear.
And keep Christmas with you all through the year.
It's snowing. The magic word.
Christmas means the spirit of giving peace and joy to you, all of you.
The goodness of loving, the gladness of living, the
and all of you.
And that, Abby, is the true meaning of Christmas.
And do you know what we do on Christmas to share this great feeling of happiness and good cheer?
What?
We wish everyone else a Merry